Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about Aurora's big cannabis deal today. Aurora Cannabis big deal today. They bought out a company called Whistler Medical. They are an organic company for 175 million in paper money, stock deal. This acquisition shocks me because Kronos owns Whistler Medical, so like they don't own Whistler, but they own a percentage of Whistler Medical, and I'm surprised Kronos gave that up to Aurora because, you know, like this news right here on March 9, 2017, Kronos Group up investments in Whistler Medical Marijuana. So Whistler, 65,000 square foot expansion, can only produce about 5,000 kilograms of organic cannabis. They bought the company has decided to maintain its 21.5% equity position for an additional $1 million. So they own 20. So Kronos owns 20% of Whistler Medical for $1 million. Kronos would get a huge deal out of this. They will own a bunch of Aurora stock valued at $5 million or $10 million. Oh wait, hold on. So let me just do this. 175 million divided by, times by 0.215. They would get $37 million by owning 21.5% of Whistler Medical with Aurora stock. So when the money gets converted to Aurora, they could sell the Aurora stock essentially if they wanted to, because Aurora is going to use their stock to buy this company. Do you think this is a good deal? I don't know. They only produce 5,000 kilograms of cannabis for 100 and like right here. The anticipated for so not even right now. So the state of the art the purpose-built state-of-art located 20 minutes drive from Whistler facility. Once the secondary facility reaches full capacity, the facilities are anticipated to have a combined production of over 5,000 kilograms per year. Whistler sells medical cannabis derivatives internationally to both Australia and the Cayman Islands. It's just 5,000 kilograms. They get good management. Is it really a good deal, guys? Is this $175 million of paper money? Kronos gets 37 million. 0.5 if they decided to sell Aurora stock. 5,000 kilograms. Like, couldn't they just build a facility by themselves? Or is it the management? Or is it the fact that they have all the strains, the customers, and they want the customers and they want the organic products, so then they can start making organic products similar to T-God. I don't know. Is it I don't know. I don't think it's that great of a deal. I think it's not bad, but I don't think it's like super good. Something that you have to jump up and down for. Aurora stock, the volume is dropping off today. It's the stock started off very, very strong. Now it's dropping. So I mean, this deal did not pop the stock over $9 and gave the stock a huge rally. It popped up 5% in the daytime. Huge volume spike of buy order, and then suddenly it drops off, and now the volume is tapering off big time. So right now it seems like volume is dropping on the stock. So over time, I think the stock's gonna fall down and down and down. It's gonna be a slow death. It's not gonna be like, bam. No, it's gonna be like day after day. It's gonna go down and down and down, because if that news really saved the stock today, the volume would be a lot higher than what it is right now. And on top of that, the stock would not be dropping. It would just keep be rising and rising. You know, and Kronos didn't even get affected by this deal. Shouldn't Kronos stock get like a huge boost from this deal? See, that's the red flag for me right there. I'm definitely not a buyer. If you were a buyer because of this news, good luck. That's all I have to say. Canopy growth. You know, no green day today. Canopy and volume is just tapering off like crazy. So where do you expect Canopy stock is the volume just gonna suddenly pick up and Canopy stock's gonna go back to, you know, $50 or $60? I don't think so. I think Canopy stock's gonna drop all the way back down to $40, and Aurora stock's gonna get dragged down to $7. Just my opinion, though. No, Namaste. Totally expect the stock to drop, and it's dropping. So there was a short article on new cannabis ventures yesterday by Alan. He was putting an article out, kind of bashing on Namaste. It seems like a short report to me, but he didn't state in the article that he was shorting the stock or not. So, or he was long or whatever. So it was just an article of information that was bad mouthing Namaste. I mean, it had some good points in it. I will probably make a video on it later, maybe today or near the end of the day, or sometime today, maybe or maybe tomorrow about the video. But that's gonna be a separate video by itself. Delta Airlines is one of the companies that is has a earnings report today. So yeah, Shaw actually had his earnings report today. I did not realize that. I was like, this stock's up. They have his. I didn't, and then I guess I bought some put options without checking out the earnings. I was kind of an idiot, but I'm up, so good, I guess. I put it at really cheap because I was thinking that, you know, it could drop back down. I'm hoping it could just keep rising though. That's why I put a put on it, because look, it's been rising so much lately that it's gonna have to like pull back eventually. It's gonna have to pull back eventually. That's why I put a put option on it at $27. It didn't totally fill the entire order yet, but it may right now. I don't know. But once the order completely fills, I will probably report to my members. Canopy US side down. Tilray. I tried to buy a put today on Tilray. Wasn't successful. Would have made a nice penny if I was. Oh well. Dow. The Dow is the stock seems to be like flatlining. It's not very volatile, and it's flatlining. It's not the resistance line is 2400, and it doesn't seem to want to pass that. So it's just kind of trading just below that. So it's kind of like flatlining right now, but we'll see. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. Tomorrow's gonna be a bunch of banks earnings. So yeah, today is the day to make the play. AMD is down. I don't know. I think it's like I said earlier. I think it's gonna hover between $19 to $20 until earnings come out, and then if earnings are good, it's gonna drop the stock. I mean, it's gonna pump the stock up. But if earnings are bad, it's gonna pump the stock down to $15. But if it does go down, it makes it an opportunity for me to do some call options. And if it goes up, it's an opportunity for me to do some put options. Even though I said I wouldn't do some put options on AMD, I made a video, but I changed my mind. And if AMD stock goes up, I'd probably do a put option on it. If it goes down, I'd probably do a call option on it. So, because long term, I still do believe in AMD. So, if it, that's my plan moving forward. PG&E, lawsuit today. The stock is dead. No dead cat bounce yet. Not lawsuit. They are filing for bankruptcy because of the fires in California. So, bankruptcy is not good, But at least investors have the chance to, you lost a lot of money if you were invested into P&G around like $24 or even $18 because you thought it was a good deal. If you bought it around here, you lost big time. You lost half your money. You have a chance to bail out, or you could just hold on until the company completely goes down. I don't know. Who knows? I'm just saying. I don't know anybody that actually owns the stock. I don't own the stock, so could be a good put option. If it does actually go bankrupt, this stock could go literally to zero, and you could make a lot of money, right? In theory, gambling still, because I don't know exactly if it's gonna just do that. So, but might keep going down. If it has a pop, I definitely put a put option on it, so I definitely watch it. But right now it seems like a dead stock. So Netflix down a little bit today. Netflix seems like such a good put option though, especially for around earnings January 17, 2019. That is tomorrow. Oh wait, that is on Thursday. Is it in the morning or is it when markets close? I'm not too sure, but I don't know. It's just I just don't think Netflix is gonna rise to $400 on earnings, or even maybe to like $350 or $360, maybe. But the higher it goes, the better the short is for Netflix, in my opinion, or the put option. But Netflix put options are expensive because I'm betting a lot of people do put options on Netflix. Just my opinion. I don't even know if it's expensive. I don't really understand options, to be honest. I don't know if each price of the option is like contract is expensive. That makes the stock expensive. I'm not sure. Like, this guy talks about it all the time. This guy talks about it all the time, but he stays away from expensive stocks. I don't really understand it, but sure, I guess. He's trying to buy Tilray? Okay, well, whatever. Nvidia also looks like a good put. February 6th is the earnings, so it looks like a good put. If it goes back to $200 for some miracle reason, I have no idea why, then it'll be even a better put. But 170 would be my next 160 and then 170. But right now I think Nvidia is a good put. So before I might do a put option on it before I release this video, but it doesn't really matter if I when I do it, I guess. Because if it goes up, I just average down. I'll buy different Nvidia put options. So Wells Fargo also has its earnings tomorrow, and it's up. So I don't know. Let's see. 5 days. Yeah, it's up. I'm thinking a lot of people want to put options on Wells Fargo. Just my opinion though. So the put options on Wells Fargo could be extremely expensive. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates. And I hope this is 10 minutes. Yes. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.